Come on, Dev.
That was no fun! Bitch! Oh!
That was very painful.
Which one?
Oh, wait. I'm wet. So wet.
Why am I flinching? Well, that's not... Jerk! I'm not throwing any. Don't throw at me. Get Dev.
Hey, Kyle, Trenton just called you.
What?
Just called you.
That's not fair!
I'm catching all of this stuff. I'm putting this on MySpace saying, watch Dev freaking dodge balloons. Get him, Fuzzy!
Why are you throwing shit at me? I'm moving foes.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Not me, but...
Ah, you fuck!
Don't get me, I'm recording this.
I am not dealing with this shit.
Shit. She does.
I got self-armor. No.
Got you!
Oh damn! I think that ever. Oh.
Everybody, those girls over there haven't gotten hit yet.
Oh shit!
Stand up!
Oh, that is just fucking gold.